Yes, well, let's take a look at the general market here. We have the S&P 500 up over 1%. I believe this is going to make 3 days in a row. I was doing a little study earlier today, and that portends some strength. However, if you bought those two signals earlier in the year, would not have worked out 3-6 months down the line. However, historically going back, there is something to this. So I'll get into that towards the close of the bell. Just wanted to point everybody's attention to the Yahoo Finance trending tickers. And Shauna, you were taking a look at the meme stocks and also some of the other fringe elements to the stock universe. I want to go over some earnings and do it democratically, but I got to scroll down for General Motors here. People focused on a lot of things here today. So first of all, the stock's up about 3-4% here, and I want to focus on some of the analyst commentary. RBC, which rates it an outperform, saying, after the Ford pre-announcement that was negative and some GM volume data, some investors were concerned about a miss. 2022 guidance reaffirmed, but this leaves a pretty wide range for implied fourth quarter levels. Midpoint of the implied fourth quarter EPS below the street, but full year street view is closer to the low end of 675 versus 650 to 750. Would not be surprised to see fourth quarter numbers creep a little higher. Let me just take a quick look at the stock here. You can see that's today's performance. Here is a year to date, and you can see after basing for several months, it is now testing those lows, as are a number of stocks, but importantly hasn't exceeded those as a number of the indices have. Now, scrolling down here, wanted to get to at least one more earnings. Alphabet is after the bell, and so we're going to take a look at Coca-Cola. Here we go. That is up 2.5% today. You can see racing off of those recent lows, and I do have some commentary by the street. Here we go. Wells Fargo, Chris Carey showing third quarter showed that KO's momentum has sustained as we approach 2023, and the initial currency outlook for next year is less bad than feared. Getting down to those currency feared, stronger dollar. Not a concern today, but overall it has been, guys.